Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zeus Tech. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we're going to be doing an introduction to an if loop. So, before we begin, if you like the content that I post, please leave this video with a like and subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and comment down below how the video was. Now, let's get started, shall we? So, if we want to understand what an if loop is, there's not really any way for me to explain it. I just have to show it to you. And if it's actually pretty simple if I'm being honest. So, to know if something's an if loop, you would type down if, and example is 1 is bigger or equal. Sorry, no, 1 is smaller than 10. And if it is, print hello. Else, print goodbye. So if we run this, hello, because 1 is smaller than 10. So how this works is that saying if 1 is smaller than 10, print. If it isn't, or like else, then print goodbye. And we can do this way, but we can also do it with variables. And if you haven't seen my past video about what variables are, I highly recommend checking it out so you can understand this. Say that we have a variable a equals 10, b equals 10, or actually b equals 5. And we're going to do if a is smaller than b, which is not true, print b is bigger than. And so to understand these stuff, you'll have to check out my video about what variables are and my video about how to work with print functions. And so if and else, then print a is bigger than, and then b. Now if we run this, you'll see 10 is bigger than 5. So for if loops to work, you need to think of it logically, and say that someone's putting in random numbers here. That's why stuff like this is here. So if a is smaller than b, print this and else this. Now let's use a proper example, shall we? So let's make a variable age. Let's have a 20, for example, and we check if age is smaller or is bigger or equal to 18. Print you can vote. Else, we're gonna print you can't vote. And a quick tip, guys, if you have these apostrophe things, you can do one of two things. Either you can use double quotes instead, or just put another single quote in, delete the back one, and do a backslash. Now if we run this, it says you can vote because age is 20. If age is 5, then you can't vote. So this is a simple example about what if loops are. If you like this video, please leave it a like and subscribe, comment down below how it was, and tell me, was this video informative? And with that said,